Hi, good day. My name is Joshua Dihiwatig, and I will discuss the last part of the IS implementation and recommendations plan. So, for this part, we have the organizational goals to be addressed and the respective IS recommendations for each. And then we will determine which implementation strategies are we going to use, as defined in the previous table. So first, we have ensure efficient utilization of financial resources by deploying cost-effective applications and software tools to support processes of departments. So we will use here strategies 2 and 4 to implement the IS recommendation. And the next, we have maintain a sufficient pool of competent human resource by following these two recommendations. Enable off-site and on-site support and creating database of employees' records. So they will both use strategies 1 and 2. And then develop, upgrade, and sustain functional capacity of equipment and facilities. So we have three IS recommendations for that. Identify and replace outdated devices, example, laptops, desktops, etc. Acquire updated software and OS versions, and create inventory management system. So for the first two, we're going to use strategy number 3, and for the last one, we're going to use strategy number 2. And then next goal is to effectively and efficiently manage geospatial resources. So we can attain this by agreeing on commitment dates for information dissemination and employing audit or quality checks on employee use of information system. So they will both use strategy number 4. And for the second one, we will also use a strategy number 5. So for the last goal, we have the enhanced organizational capacity, which can be attained by employing cloud-based systems to replace or run in parallel with on-premise systems. So this will use strategy number 2 and strategy number 5. So this ends our presentation for IS recommendations and implementation plan. So again, this is Joshua Dihiwatig for the IS Moving On group. Thank you for listening.